Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Tania. I am a senior PPC executive at Softtrix. Today we are back with another educational video. Today we are going to tell you how to add Google Analytics to the GoDaddy website. Many people are unfamiliar with GoDaddy and may not know how to implement feature like Google Analytics on their GoDaddy website. If you are of them and wondering how to add Google Analytics to your GoDaddy website, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, whether you are new to website management or just need a little help integrating tool to track your website performance. This guide will simplify everything for you with clear instruction and easy to follow steps. You will be able to set up Google Analytics on your GoDaddy website in no time. This video is going to be very helpful for beginners, so let's get started.
So first of all, you have to log in your GoDaddy, and once you are logging the GoDaddy, then you will be see the main dashboard. So after that you have to go for website, and then right side you will be see edit website. So click on edit website. And after that click on setting. Now you will be see Google Analytics. Here you have to add your tracking ID, and once you will be add your tracking ID, then click on publish. And after that you can preview, you can see whether analytic is implemented or not. So you can click on the view side, and after that you can just check. So now you can see here analytic is implemented correctly. So this is the basically how we can implement the analytic through the GoDaddy.
If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and comments. Thank you.